Let's talk about the Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige electric shaver. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably spent a fair amount of time in front of the mirror trying to achieve that perfect shave. You know the one I'm talking about, the kind that leaves your skin feeling smooth and looking sharp. So, when I first came across the S9000 Prestige, I was intrigued. It's marketed as a high-end grooming tool, and honestly, it's hard to ignore the buzz surrounding it. But is it really worth the investment? Let's break it down, shall we? First off, let's discuss performance. This shaver is designed to deliver an exceptionally close and comfortable shave, even if you've let your stubble grow a bit longer than usual. That's a big deal. We've all been there, right? You skip a day or two, and suddenly you're faced with a mini jungle on your face. The S9000 handles that with grace. The NanoTech precision blades are sharp and stay that way for longer, which means less irritation on your skin. Nobody wants to deal with razor burn, especially when you're trying to look your best. Now, let's talk about the flexible shaving head. It features this multi-directional ContourDetect technology that adjusts to the unique curves of your face. It's like having a personal barber who knows exactly how to navigate your jawline and cheekbones. I mean, who doesn't want a shaver that practically does the work for you? And here's where it gets even better. It's designed for both wet and dry use. Whether you prefer to shave in the shower with your favorite gel, or you're a dry shave kind of person, this shaver has got you covered. Talk about versatility. It's like having options, and let's be honest, we all love options. Now, let's pivot to the charging situation. The Qi wireless charging feature is a game changer. You just place the shaver on the charging pad, and boom, you're good to go. No more fumbling with cords or worrying about frayed wires. It's all about convenience, right? But here's the kicker. While it's super convenient, some users have noted that it can be a bit slower than traditional plug-in charging. So if you're in a hurry, you might want to plan ahead. And let's not forget about the precision trimmer attachment. If you're someone who likes to keep their sideburns sharp or needs to tidy up that mustache, this little guy will be your best friend. It's all about those details, and this trimmer makes it easy to achieve that polished look. Now, I can't skip over the premium case that comes with it. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it protects your investment while you're on the go. Traveling with your grooming essentials just got a whole lot easier. But, of course, no product is perfect, and there are a few things to consider. First up, the price. The S9000 Prestige is one of the most expensive electric shavers out there. If you're on a budget, this might make you think twice. It's an investment, and you really have to weigh whether the features justify the cost for you. Then there's the learning curve. Some users have mentioned needing a bit of time to get the hang of it. It's not just a plug-and-play situation. You may need to experiment a little to find out how to use it effectively for your specific needs. If you're someone who prefers straightforward tools, this could be a bit frustrating. And let's talk about replacement parts. The heads and other components can be pricey, and that's something to keep in mind. It's not just the initial investment. It's the ongoing cost of maintaining that premium grooming experience. Now, size matters too. The S9000 is larger than some of its competitors, which might impact portability and storage. If you're someone who travels a lot or has limited bathroom space, you might want to factor that in. Cleaning is another aspect to consider. While it's easy to rinse underwater, it doesn't come with an automatic cleaning station like some other high-end models. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance option, this might require a bit more effort than you bargained for. And let's be real, nobody loves the idea of waiting for their shaver to dry before using it again. Noise level is also worth mentioning. Some users have found it to be a bit louder than other high-end shavers. If you're someone who shaves early in the morning or late at night, that could be a concern for you. Finally, there's the battery indicator. Some users have found it to be not as precise as they would like. You want to know how much juice you have left, especially if you're in a rush. In conclusion, the Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige Electric Shaver is undeniably a top-tier product. It offers impressive performance, advanced features, and a sleek design that's hard to resist. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room: the high price point and the potential learning curve. If you're someone who prioritizes shaving quality and is willing to invest in a premium grooming experience, this could be the shaver for you. But if you're looking for something more basic or budget-friendly, you might want to explore other options. At the end of the day, it's all about finding what works best for you and your grooming needs.